good morning, or afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I'm back in the bathroom where I belong.
Put him in a fucking bed, you might.
Why is it every time I wake up, it's just
chaos?
I thought that I taught you guys everything I know at this point, but in my more recent videos, you guys have noticed that I've been parting my bangs like Moses did the Red Sea, you know, you feel me? It's been like, yeah, I don't know. I think we can keep this pretty quick. It's nothing
fucking groundbreaking.
Pull it back out of my fucking face.
Out of my face! Out of my face!
Well, I guess the first thing we have to do is... It's like the beginning of my OnlyFans. There is an important step in the shower that I don't know if I mentioned in my other video. When you're done showering, your hair should be like this. Don't get out of the shower with it like this. Look, I look like the fifth fucking Roy sibling. Frankie Roy, right? Move over, Shiv. Roman, you creepy little fuck.
Well, these hands aren't gonna fuck themselves, so.
So your hair needs to be... This is what your hair should be doing. Don't pull it back, because... Alright, well I think we've had enough shower times. We made it. Remember, don't be aggressive. Great.
My legs!
Yeah, don't judge me. I put the shirt back on that I had on earlier. I didn't sleep in this shirt. I just put it on this morning, so it's fucking clean. Leave me alone, all right? I'm doing the best I can here. Take out Old Faithful. Again, I like Harry's.
Harry.
But any medium hold matte finish pomade is gonna work. Matte finish. Hell yeah, Harry's. I use like this much. Rub that shit in.
Oh yeah.
Like this. And you scrunch the hair. So normally when my hair isn't so long, this is pretty much where I stop. I let it dry, and I go like this. But lately, because my hair is clearly too long, I go like this. And now, okay, here's an important part. When you go flip your hair and start to put your hands through it, don't fucking pancake that shit down. You know what I mean? Honestly, it's already pretty much done. Like, it looks pretty good like this. But I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Again, okay? We're here, back at the beginning. Kind of give your hair a little flip. Look at that, wow. And just run your hands through it, but like when you get to the back, kind of pull it forward a little bit. So you're not like slicking. You know what I mean? So you're going back, but then you use your hand to kind of mess it a little bit. Push some of the curls back a little bit. I'll let it fall, do its thing, like you always do. Don't fight the curls. Don't fucking fight the curls. Fighting the curls, you will lose.
What a loser!
It's like swimming upstream without a paddle. Arguing with your wife. Bringing a fucking knife to a gunfight. It's like debating God.
Smite me! Almighty smiter!
Like, you're always gonna lose that battle. So that's pretty much where I stop. And then I let it dry. Take the dog for a walk, finish doing what you gotta do in the morning, 20 minutes, right? I'm not saying, you can actually leave the house like this. Like, it actually doesn't look bad. Let it dry a little bit, and then you'll be able to touch it and fuck with it. And anyways, I'll show you. I'll be back.
A few minutes later.
Okay, that was good. Good break.
We were on a break!
I go back in a tiny bit of pomade. Give it some volume, baby. You could leave it like this. Honestly, it looks okay, but I'm not going to because I'm an asshole. Right? Now it's dry. And you can do this when you get to the office, wherever the fuck you're going.
Straight to fucking hell, that's where!
But, that's it. There you go. So that's what I do. Yeah, that's it. That's what I got for you.
That's all, folks.
If you're not new here, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, whatever. All that bullshit. Do that. Or don't. I'd appreciate it if you did. But like, you know, you do what you want. This is your life. Good talk. Godspeed.